Ready to take your Photoshop skills to the next level by seamlessly adding images to your projects. First up is the drag and drop method. Simply locate the image on your computer. Click and drag it directly onto your open Photoshop canvas. Release the mouse button, and Photoshop will automatically place the image as a new layer. Alternatively, use the Place command, navigate to the File menu, then select Place Embedded. This opens a window where you can browse and select your desired image. Click Place to import it. This method is great for maintaining organized layers. The Copy-Paste method is another quick option. Copy the image from a website or another application, then in Photoshop, press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD-V on Mac to paste the image as a new layer. Once your image is in Photoshop, you'll likely need to resize and reposition it. Use the transform controls that appear around the image to adjust its size and rotation. Hold Shift while dragging a corner handle to maintain proportions. Explore blending modes for creative effects. In the Layers panel, experiment with blending modes like Multiply or Overlay to blend the image with the layers below, achieving unique visual results. By mastering these techniques, you can seamlessly integrate images into your Photoshop projects, enhancing your designs and creating visually stunning compositions. Now go and create something amazing.